Yes, hello children. Today I will start types of chemical reaction which is important for your board exam. Okay? So we will start this topic. Types of chemical reaction. Okay, clear? There are different kinds of chemical reaction. Number one, that is known as combination. What is the meaning of the combination? When two or more materials combine with each other, they will form a single product that is known as a combination. Suppose these small particles are here. They will combine with each other and they convert in a single structure that is known as a combination. Okay? After the combination, they convert in a single unit form that is known as a combination. Okay, clear? It means when two or more reactants combine with each other, and form a single product known as combination. Okay, clear? It means many molecules or atoms, they will combine with each other and they form the single product that is known as a combination. And see that there are so many examples. C plus O2 gives CO2. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH whole twice. CaO plus CO2 CaCO3. These are the example of the combination reaction. Okay? So have you understood? Okay, children? Now next thing is here. It is a combination. Example anyone you can take. Okay? Now next thing. Second types of reaction, that is decomposition. Decompose, it means divide or break down. Single substance breaks down in small pieces. Okay, it means it will be reactant, and these are products. So you can understand, when a single reactant breaks down in many products with the help of heat, electricity, and light. Okay? When decomposition by heat, known as thermal decomposition. Electricity, electrolysis, or electrodecomposition. Third, by sunlight, photolysis, or photodecomposition. Okay? So when a single reactant convert or break down into many products, that is known as a decomposition. But decomposition here take place with the help of the heat करने से, electricity pass करने से, या sunlight की help से, that is known as a decomposition. Decomposition take place with the help of mainly three factors. Number one, by the heat, that is known as a thermal decomposition. By the electricity, electrolysis or electrodecomposition. Number three, sunlight, that is known as a photolysis or photodecomposition. Now next step is there. Different types of decomposition we have to see along with the examples. Okay, children? You are following each and everything? Okay. Now you note down. Okay. Thermal decomposition. Decomposition takes place with the help of heating. Decomposition takes place by heating. Okay. Example number one. When lead nitrate is heated, gives yellow color of lead oxide, brown gas, that is NO2, it is a brown gas, and colorless gas, that is oxygen. Okay, clear? You have to remember, lead nitrate is heated. It is sign for a heating. Lead nitrate gives lead oxide, brown gas, nitrogen, dioxide and oxygen colorless. No color is there. Okay, children. Second example, green vitriol FeSO4 7H2SO4 is heated. Okay, its formula is FeSO4 7H2O, FeSO4 7H2O, green in color. Now it is heated, gives iron oxide plus sulfur dioxide gas plus sulfur trioxide gas. Remember it. Oxide of sulfur, sulfur dioxide and trioxide. Children, all these you have to remember. Sulfur is an element, non-metal, found in yellow color. Found in yellow color. कई बार क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा घुमा के आ जाता है. येलो कलर का एक एलिमेंट है, ओके, जो एलोट्रॉप्स इंडिकेट करता है, कैटेनेशन भी रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और वो गैस के फॉर्म में एज अ प्रोडक्ट हमें जो मिलता है जब ग्रीन विट्रॉल को हीट किया जाता है. ओके, क्लियर? सो नोट डाउन चिल्ड्रन. If anything you want to ask, then you can ask to me. These are the example, most important example of thermal decomposition. Okay? Yes, thank you children. Hello everyone. So you are understanding each and everything in a proper way of the first chapter, and today I am going to start third type of chemical reaction, that is known as displacement reaction. Okay, so what is the displacement? When more reactive metal displays to less reactive metal from its solution is known as displacement reaction. इसके लिए बच्चों आप लोगों को रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. ये छोटी सी सीरीज है, आप इसे लर्न कर लीजिएगा. कैसे लर्न करना है देखिए आपको. कैसे नई कार मांगू, ऑल्टो, जेन, फरारी है, क्यों हंसे, अगर और पिटे. ठीक है, इस सीरीज में जो पहले एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वो मोर रिएक्टिव होंगे, और जो बाद में जिनकी पोजीशन है वो लेस रिएक्टिव होंगे. तो मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट मेटल्स डिस्प्लेस किसको करेगा? लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल को डिस्प्लेस कर देगा. ओके, वैसे भी ये नेचुरल फिनोमेना है कि ताकतवर चीज जो है वीक चीज को हटा देती है, दैट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट। ओके, कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग चीज यदि होती है तो वो वीक चीज का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर देती है। सेम थिंग इज ऑल्सो हियर। सो few colors you have to remember, children, regarding this chapter. Most important colors like CuSO4, it is found in a blue color. FeSO4, that is found in green color. And most of the solution which are given in a NCERT, they are found in a white color. ओके, केवल ये दो आपको जो है आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में दिए गए, होते तो बच्चों बहुत सारे हैं, बट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एनसीईआरटी। उसका कलर जो होता है वो ब्लू कलर है। FeSO4 का कलर होता है वो ग्रीन कलर में होता है। अगर मेटल में हम केवल देखते हैं, कॉपर जो हमारा होता है वो रेडिश ब्राउन कलर में होता है। ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू टेक एग्जाम्पल। सपोज मैंने यहां पे आयरन लिया जो सॉलिड फॉर्म में है, कॉपर सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन हमने ले लिया, एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लिया, इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में हमने एक आयरन नेल डाल दिया है और इसके अंदर कॉपर सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन लिया है जो ब्लू कलर में प्रेजेंट है। आयरन नेल। अब देखिए बच्चों क्या होगा, आयरन है मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट है, कॉपर है लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट है। आयरन कॉपर का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर देता है और धीरे धीरे ये जो ब्लू कलर है ये ग्रीन कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। अब इसमें देखिए क्वेश्चन किस तरीके से आता है। What happened when iron nail dipped in a copper sulfate solution? What you will observe? Okay, so what will be answer here? What we are observing? Blue color of copper sulfate that change in a green color because iron is more reactive. It displays to the copper from its solution. So blue color of CuSO4 change in a green color. And copper will remain in a reddish brown color. So this is the first example. Now second example is here. We take another test tube. In that we are taking copper sulfate, that is blue in color. And zinc rod kept inside it. So what will be reaction here? Zinc rod plus CuSO4, which is found in a blue color. Zn will displace to the copper from here. It will form ZnSO4 solution and copper will remain in a reddish brown color and it is colorless or white in a color. Okay children, so these two examples are very important. These are given in our NCERT book in an activity also. Okay, so you have to remember color of the compound, color of the solution. They are found in a which color, just like a copper sulfate found in a blue color FeSO4 जो होता है वो ग्रीन कलर में होता है। ये 2 कलर के अलावा आपके बुक में जितने भी दिए गए हैं वो वाइट कलर में हैं, क्योंकि कलर तो बच्चों बहुत टाइप के होते हैं, आप अपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग याद रखेंगे। ओके, so now it is complete. So I hope you have understood in a proper way and you revise it properly. Okay, thank you children.